It's a non-invasive treatment that promises to not only improve the look of your skin, but also to restore it to its healthiest state. Patient consultant Kelly Ivy Subach from La Dermique in Feeding Hills joins us to share more about the Hydrafacial. Kelly, you brought the whole machine with you today.
I did.
So we're doing a demonstration live on air. All right, let's introduce Pam.
Pam is one of our medical estheticians in our office, and she does pretty much every procedure that we do there, besides what the doctor does.
Yes, so now she's here to be the patient today.
She's my patient. I won't call her the dummy, because she's not a dummy.
She's ready to go. So let's jump right into it. The Hydrafacial is kind of touted as being the red carpet peel, right?
Yes, it is. It's kind of a hybrid of a lot of different procedures that have come together, kind of like microdermabrasion, chemical peels, enzyme masks. It kind of takes all of those and puts them in one treatment and takes all of the downtime and irritation and all the other things that go along with those procedures out of the equation. So there's absolutely no downtime. We use it two ways. We use it as, you know, I want to see an immediate result with my face, I've got something coming up, or I'm just feeling dull and kind of, or I'm breaking out, I've got issues. We also use it as a cleanup to more invasive procedures. So you have the more invasive procedure, 10 days later you come in and have a Hydrafacial to kind of clean it up and bring you back to your, you know, glowing, beautiful self. And then we use it as maintenance. So we've gotten to your skin to where we want it to be and we're happy with it. And now we want to maintain that for the next couple of years.
And it does more than just exfoliate and clean out the skin. It also puts stuff back into the skin.
And that's been the real problem with other procedures, is that it just kind of scrapes off that dead skin or sandblasts it off, leaving it vulnerable to dehydration and all kinds of other issues. So the procedure does do a lot of different things. First step is that it removes dead skin cells, and it does it in a way that's non-irritating. So I'm just going to show on Pam. And
so it's like a vacuum.
I kind of say it's like a kind of like a wet cat licking you sensation. It's got that scrapey, you know, kind of, but not in a painful way.
Right.
But it is a damp sensation, and the whole premise behind it is the serums that are down here that we use. And the first serum breaks up the dead skin cells so that they get sucked back into the machine and show your beautiful glowing skin. The second step actually goes in and cleans out blackheads, which we get so many complaints about. Everybody hates it. We're all in the mirror staring at them. This is a way of doing it without really irritating the skin and not having to like pop them. It is pretty amazing.
So what this is doing right now is getting rid of all the dull skin. Okay.
So, and it's doing it in a way that it's not drying the skin out. It's actually putting fluid into the skin while we're doing it.
Oh, I see actually how it's
she's getting pink, a little bit pink, but the nice thing is that this will go away within 10 minutes. So she can put her makeup on and go right back to her daily activities, no downtime whatsoever.
And she'll be glowing.
She'll be absolutely amazing. So then we change the tip to a smaller tip, and this is an extraction tip so that we can really get into those pores and clean all that yucky stuff out.
Yes.
Without having to have, and if anybody's had a facial, they know you usually leave there with red, puffy, irritated skin because they've been kind of going at you trying to get the blackheads out or the pimples. This way you don't have that. The serum actually breaks up that oil very easily and then sucks it all back in, so the pores are absolutely empty and they can contract and look smaller. And if you're somebody who's had no attention to your skin, which I would probably say 70% of the population puts no attention to their skin, you may need a couple of these to get to, you know, where you're super happy. But even after one, most people leave like, I can't believe this. Most facials, you leave the next day, you don't really notice anything. With this, you're going to notice it for up to 10 days after.
Really? And
yes,
this is
absolutely
what a lot of celebrities are saying they like to get done before they go on the red carpet because it gives them a glow.
The makeup goes on flawlessly, and it gets that because we see it in the magazines everywhere. How do I get the glow? And the glow,
the J-Lo glow.
The J-Lo glow. Well, usually they're doing it with makeup, but the proper way to do it is through hydration, and it's through treatments like this. Most people are dehydrated because they can't absorb water from the atmosphere because of all the dead skin buildup.
And we think of a lot of us women are wearing makeup every single day and we wash our face, but how much are we really getting off? So, and you put it on every single day. After many years of doing that, it seems that there would be a lot of buildup that you can't possibly clean out.
And you don't want to do it with a harsh cleanser. I mean, if you're going at your skin with a harsh cleanser because you're thinking, I use makeup every day, you're going to dry the skin out, and that's not what you want. You want to put it in the hands of a professional who knows how to get in there without causing irritation or damage to the tissue.
So how long does this entire process take? Obviously, right now we're doing a quick version.
It's about 45 minutes.
Okay, and it's comfortable. Pam's nice and comfy here.
It's excellent.
She'll be asleep before we're off the air.
So, and it's okay to sleep?
Absolutely.
Okay, 'cause
Relax.
that's what I ask everywhere I go. Can I take a quick nap?
Absolutely.
I need the sleep.
I mean, there's different types of people. Some people want to be told every step. They want to know everything about what you're doing. And then there are people like us who just want to zone out.
Don't talk to me.
Don't talk to me. Forget it and tell me after what
And
happened.
that's okay too.
Absolutely.
Now, people can get all of their questions answered this evening at your open house. Tell us about that.
We're doing a Hydrafacial open house where there's no pressure. People can come into the office, learn a little bit more about the procedure, experience it on their hand or a part of their face so they know what they're getting into. These amazing promos, cocktails, and appetizers from 4 to 7.
Sounds lovely. And so that's at your location in Feeding Hills.
Yes, 1154 Springfield Street in Feeding Hills.
Free to attend.
Yes, absolutely.
Wonderful. So once you did the vacuum
Did the vacuum,
process,
suck that all
now
off.
this is the serum.
This is the last step.
Is there another step?
The last step is to then force in through vortex fusion a very potent antioxidant. So
Okay.
we're turning the vacuum around and we're pushing the fluid into the tissue instead of sucking it back out.
Wow.
So that she is hydrated and moist and glowing and the pores can kind of close up.
And so what does your skin feel like after you get this done?
You know, it feels like a baby's bottom.
Yes. And if you've ever felt one of those, it's super smooth. So then you just rub that serum right into her skin?
We actually keep going until the body stops absorbing it. So everyone's a little bit different. Some people only need a little bit, and some people were in there for 15 minutes trying to get them to stop absorbing it. Whatever
Your
it
skin
takes.
loves it, yeah.
Skin just keeps taking it until it stops. Once it kind of balls up, then we know that they've gotten their full. Finish with a moisturizer and sunscreen, and out there going back to their daily lives.
And then they can go on a date that night with a glow.
Absolutely.
All right, Kelly, people have questions. They can just reach out to you, call you, visit you online.
Absolutely. Call the office for a complimentary consultation or come see us tonight.
Tonight, 4 to 7 at La Dermique in Feeding Hills open house. It's free to attend and learn all about Hydrafacial. Thanks,
Thank you
Kelly.
so much.
Pam, what a good sport. Are you awake? Are you awake? Thanks so much. For more information, call 413-786-3376 or visit ladermique.com.